Just post the video. Seriously? Just post it. I started the Noise app back in August, and it has literally changed my life financially. Not only am I getting all my debts paid off, but I also booked a cruise for my daughter and I. And it's all thanks to Noise. So don't be scared to post, don't be scared to show your face, because I promise you it's your answer to everything. Try the Noise app now. Don't be scared, because I promise in the end you won't regret it. Just know it does take hard work and dedication. So make sure you're not giving up, get to that premium status, and you'll start seeing that money coming in. Check out how much I've made since August and starting now.